In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on your main dashboard. This process is handled directly inside QuickBooks, so once you're logged in, you can complete most of the setup without leaving the platform for long. From the QuickBooks dashboard, look for the Integration section and click into it. This area is where QuickBooks lets you connect outside tools and services to help automate your bookkeeping. After that, choose Explore Integrations to open the App Marketplace. Once you're in the Integrations Marketplace, use the search bar to look for PayPal. This will help you quickly find the correct app instead of scrolling through all available options. In the search results, click on PayPal Connector by QuickBooks. Be sure to select the QuickBooks connector specifically, since that's the one designed to sync your PayPal activity with your QuickBooks account. On the app page, click Get Integration Now. This begins the connection process and takes you into the setup flow. QuickBooks will then guide you through a few on-screen prompts. Read through the authorization details carefully, and when you're ready, select Agree and Connect to allow QuickBooks to access your PayPal data. This permission is what enables the two platforms to communicate and bring your transaction information into QuickBooks. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal credentials on the secure sign-in page, then grant the requested permissions. This step confirms that you want PayPal to share account activity with QuickBooks. If you manage more than one PayPal account, take a moment here to make sure you're signing into the correct one before continuing. After authorization is complete, you'll return to QuickBooks. At this point, you'll need to choose or create a PayPal bank account in your chart of accounts. This is the account QuickBooks will use to track the funds coming in and out of PayPal, so it's important to select the correct ledger account. If you don't already have one set up, QuickBooks will let you create it during this step. Once that's done, click Next. Finally, choose a start date for importing historical transactions. This tells QuickBooks how far back you want to bring in your PayPal activity. Pick the date that makes the most sense for your bookkeeping needs, then click Done to finish the connection. At that point, your PayPal integration will be set up and QuickBooks can begin importing and organizing your PayPal transactions.